Hello everyone, Satan here with Torn Tutorials, bringing you a how to stack guide. Stacking refers to stacking up your energy to the maximum, which is 1000. Some of the reasons for stacking would be for premium happy jumps with erotic DVDs, faction events, and torn events. For candy jumps, you'll want to do a partial stack. For faction events and torn events, you'll want to start stacking 3 days prior to the event. It is because if you overdose, you won't be screwed for the event. First, you start stacking with an empty energy bar. This will boost you above the maximum all the way to 250 energy. Next, you'll observe your timer on your drug cooldown and log in when that expires and take another Xanax to get you to 500 energy. Then you'll basically do the same thing to reach 750 and then again to 1000. Your goal should be to have your drug cooldown fully expire before any faction event, torn event, and especially for erotic DVD jumps. If you're lucky enough to reach 1000 energy before a faction event or torn event, it is a good idea to not waste your drug cooldown. You can take opium while you're waiting for the event. It's impossible to overdose on opium and you get a merit for using it 50 times. You can also smoke cannabis, which gives you free nerve. Cannabis also has the lowest overdose chance in the game and has 2 merits for taking it. The only difference for candy jumps is you'll do a partial stack with a full energy bar. This will boost you to 400 energy if you have donator status. Then you will continue with your candy jump. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video has earned your subscription. I wish you the best of luck in Torn.